What's the difference between refinancing or recasting?
I'm glad you asked that question. The big difference between recasting and refinancing is where you're just basically buying the house from yourself. You're getting a whole new mortgage, whole new terms, everything's brand new, the old loan's paid off and you have a new loan. Recasting is where you can take the current loan that you have and maybe pay the principal down and they'll recalculate your payment based on your new balance of your loan. So a great example of that is someone that maybe bought the house and then sold the house up north and they have a lot of cash in hand now and they want to plop that money down on the principal balance of their Florida home so they can have a lower monthly payment. That is a great example where you can call up the lender and say, hey, I want to recast my mortgage based on my new balance. And we just had a customer that worked out well for her. She wanted to refinance because that's what everyone thinks. I should refinance now that I've got this lump sum of money. I looked at all the numbers and I was like, you got a great rate now. Call your current bank and see if they'll recast your mortgage so you can keep your term. She had like 22 years on her term. So she kept her 22-year term. She didn't have to pay thousands of dollars in closing costs. And she now has a much lower payment every month. And she's still on pace to pay it off at her maturity date that she had originally. Recasting is an option that's out there that might be a good choice.
That took us completely out of the equation to do a refinance. It eliminated our opportunity to do business with this customer, but it was the right situation for her. And that's what we're all about, making sure that you know what all of your options are, even if it's not something that Braun Mortgage Group does for you as a new loan, just to make sure that you are taken care of.